Good evening, friends. Abhishek signing in from Bombay. This is my fearless communication video. What a week! I mean, you know, looking at your innermost fears in its eyes, and then deciding to confront it and conquer it. It has been a rock star of a week. I stood up for a female colleague of mine. I finally went up and spoke to my super boss, and I asked him, "What's up? What you doing?" I visited a dentist, got a couple of my teeth fixed. I took my daughter out, on a Sunday morning in a crowded vegetable market, and did some shopping like I used to do with my father when I was small. I just want to say that doing all these things, confronting my fears, I just felt so relaxed, so free, so inspired, and so confident that I just can't fathom this feeling. Thank you very much, Bishal, for making me do this, and thank you very, very much for actually making us all realize the importance of conquering our own demons and doing this on a day to day basis. Thank you so much.